Okay, here's a follow-up on the video I posted the other day. This is the iKingsky kind of Amazon cheap China-based underwear. They end up being see-through. I got the large. They do fit. I'm happy I got the large. I think so overall, yes, I recommend these. There's always hit or miss, as I said in my video about buying stuff, kind of Chinese brands. They do fit. I like the options of color. They're comfortable. I think that this was about a little over $20 for 4 of them, which that's reasonable. But I think for what they are, remove one of them from the bundle of 3 instead of 4 and drop the price by $5. Maybe that's definitely the model, but not bad for 4 of them. So I actually recommend these if you like the bigger back, and I like the variety anyways. They're kind of fun, so recommend. And I have pictures on OnlyFans of these already, so check it out.